It's very common for U.S. taxpayers who are considered U.S. citizens, lawful permanent residents, or foreign nationals who meet the substantial presence test to have previously lived and worked in Australia, which means they've accumulated superannuation. They may have one super, they may have several supers, and so the common question would be, is it taxable? Let's go through the basics. So this is not direct legal advice. You should hire someone and talk to them or consult with them, whoever that is. A baseline perspective as well is that the treaty between the United States and Australia does not mention superannuations, so there's no direct information on it. The contributions from the employer, there's basically three parts: contributions, growth, and distributions. The contributions are typically going to be taxable. Why? Because there's no treaty that says it's not. Example would be you're working in Australia, employer contributes $10,000 like they would a 401k if you were in the US. Because there's no specific rule that exempts it from US income, it's going to be grossed up into your main income when you're reporting income for that year. The growth is more of a gray area because the treaty doesn't directly relate to it, but the United States and Australia do have a treaty. It is an employment type of pension. Uh, the general baseline rule would be that the growth is not taxable. The IRS doesn't typically dispute or challenge that position, but it also depends on whether it's employment trust or if it's a foreign grant or a non-grantor trust. Is it self-managed or not? Has the employer or the employee contributed more than 50%? Distributions are going to be taxable, which is unfortunate because if you're a non-US person and you're living in Australia, then typically it's not going to be taxable. Foreign tax credits will accumulate within the super itself as it grows. 15% taxes are being paid, but unfortunately, since the taxpayer individual is not paying the tax him or herself, you can't really claim foreign tax credits.